Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove background from any image. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you will be able to remove background from any image very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. Here you can see this is the photo that I have recently downloaded, and to remove the background of this photo, let's go to the Chrome browser, and here in the search bar search for remove BG. BG is the short form of background, and you can see many website, but you can just go into the first website, and here you have to tap on upload image, and you can select the image from your computer. I'll select my image and tap on open, and here you can see this is the real photo. And after removing the background, this is the photo. And to download this photo, you just have to tap on download. Then you'll be able to download your photo without background. Let's view the photo. Here you can see this is the photo without background, and this is the photo with background. So this is how you can remove background from your any photos. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.